In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Venmo on Shein. So if you're looking for an inside app tutorial, this is not going to be the video for it. So I apologize, I'm outside the US and I cannot log in into Venmo. So how can you use a Venmo in Shein? Of course, if you go here to payments methods, as you can see, if you choose to pay with Venmo, you can pay for your order using Venmo app. Simply follow the instructions and scan your QR code. This is an example to pay or with Venmo, of course. As you can see here, payments methods. You can pay with your credits and debit card. As you can see, you can pay with PayPal and you can pay with Venmo. So if you choose to pay with Venmo, you can pay for your order using your Venmo app. Simply follow the instructions and scan the QR code and open your Venmo ad. Scan the QR code with your Venmo app and your transaction should be paid. Let's say as an example, I want to buy these t-shirts. So all I need to do here, just go to click on add of course size, I don't care, edit, view cards, check out now. Of course, I'll have to log in. So let me just go here, log in into or create an account or log in, it does not matter. I accept the terms of service, confirm. So just take me there. And here, of course, I'll have to fill up my information. So I'll just fill up some random informations. As an example like this phone number, and I'll just do this. Yeah, of course it's not going to be correct like that. Okay, I think so. I just fill up some random infos in here, and as you can see, payments methods, we have PayPal, etc., and we have here Venmo. So go and click on Venmo, and as you can see, click on Venmo right here. So they'll give you this QR code. All you need to do, as example, we can look for how to pay with Venmo using QR code as example. It's very simple. So what you'll need to do as example, go to the Me tab. You'll find this here as example. Normally, where is it? So wait, let me just go. Yeah. So you'll find this here, as you can see, at the bottom right. Once you click on that, you can find our QR code button on your profile picture. Tap on that QR code, then click on Venmo Me. Once you click on Venmo Me, all you need to do, just scan this QR code and it will pay the amount right here. And yeah, that's it. You should be good to go. So that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.